Okay, let's start recording. So, yeah, we're recording. So, yeah, do you see this thing? I have made one of my new characters. I have no other characters now because I deleted my game. So, yeah, this is Gumball machine. Cool, right? Yeah. He's armless. He has 3 heads, 3 people in one, and those heads are different people. Hi. We're all different people in one person. Anyway, this thing is stuck forever. We're gonna fight. Are you ready to die? Of course not. But you're the one ready to die. Attack! Kick! Let us beat you. No, you don't. I said flip. So I'm gonna be kicked. Wait, I'm making video. There. We did it. Yeah, now we killed it all together. I don't know if we did it all together, but yeah. Okay. Here's the eye, here's the mouth. It looks like it's just the mouth, like a smiley face. Okay, but trust me. This... Wait, well, I'm trying to grab the... Trust me. I can't grab it. You're stuck. You grab it and place it in the ground. Oh, there. Yeah. So please, okay? Oh yeah, I thought I was facing this way, but it's actually facing the other way. The green. Gosh, the green Gumball. What, that was easy to defeat. Yeah. I don't know why I'm armless, but I can choke people with my feet. Woo. Oh yeah. The cool thing. Also, the cool thing about this character. There's cracks. See any cracks? Yeah, here's a crack there, look. A black crack. If you can't see any cracks, well, let's take a look at it as a skeleton. Incoming! Look, see, there's black spots. Those are cracks. So, yeah. Also, it's another candy character like the rest of the candy characters. There's other candy characters. A thousand forms of the... So these are all the candy characters. Yeah, exactly. Also, this one's free. There's more candy characters. Wait. There's more candy characters. Even more. There's so much candy characters here. Yeah, we're all candy characters. Even one has 3 heads. Well, we're all different people. You got a point. Wow. Me just chilling. Anyways, look.
Ay, hindi, basa pa
It's a
mo.
cupcake.
Lalo kong magkakasakit kasi.
Oh my gosh, cupcake. I need to hold it. I'm hungry. Yummy. That's actually a bomb. Wait, no, let's try that again. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. I'm bored. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, a cupcake. I'm hungry. I want to eat it. Nom nom nom. That's a bomb. Duh. Also, I'm not going near you. I was not going to turn into another person. I'm going to turn into you. Who, me? Yeah, you. Who, me? Yes, you. Wait, no. Who took a piece of a jelly popcorn? Who, me? Yes, you. Couldn't it be? Then who? Corn. Never mind. We should not do that. Yeah. I'm still alive. Also, I'm not Jelly Man. I'm just Jelly. Also, Jelly Man can't talk. So, yeah. What happened to my arm? Also, I can fix you, sir. Oh, thank you. Also, call me Jelly. Okay. Here, have this. Thank you. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Bye.